Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 Honda Accord EXL. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And you'll see that this one has updated headlight surrounds that are LEDs. They do not flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that does that. Okay, you can see that it does have fog lights up front and alloy wheels. And it has tint all the way around, but the tint in the back is a little bit darker than in the front. And I'll go ahead and pop the trunk as well. So you can see that it has a very large trunk space and a spare tire. The Accords are equipped with a V6 and dual exhaust, so they're very nimble and handle very well. This one is also equipped with a sunroof and black pinhole leather in the front, and there are your leather seats in back. Go ahead and show you the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well, as I know I go through this quite quickly. Too fast for you to write down what the VIN is. There's 2 driver presets. Okay, and as we come down here, I will just go ahead and pause this and scroll through the trip computer until I get to the mileage. And so in the meantime, I'll just go ahead and do a cold restart. Okay. Okay, so I did scroll through and found that. You see that it has 90,321 miles on this vehicle. As you come down here, you'll see that it does have paddle shifters. And here are your stereo controls. So if your stereo is on, then you could control it from this portion. And then you also have your push to talk and your cruise control. All right, and if you come over here, you've got your stereo, got your backup camera, and then if you want to go to your sources, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, MP3, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. Okay, and as you keep coming down, you've got your comfort controls and your 12-volt outlet, auxiliary, and USB right here. I'm sorry. There we go. Auxiliary and USB right here. See, it does have heated front seats. Then you've got your shifter and your handbrake. And there's your key fob, cup holders. And then you have an additional 12-volt power outlet in there. All right. And this is just for convenience so that things don't fall between your seats. As you come up here, you got your glove compartment and your controls for your map reading lights, your sunglasses holder, controls for your sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Honda Accord on the interior. So this vehicle does have a branded title. There is some damage to the undercarriage. Obviously the airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.